Good evening. This is the Financial Week. I'm Herman Green. CWC Cala Holdings has moved one step closer to taking control of the Jamaican business of cable and wireless. In a note to the Jamaica Stock Exchange, CWC Cala Holdings said it now holds 86.86% of the ordinary stock units issued by Cable and Wireless Jamaica, and that together with its affiliate will hold 91.73% of the ordinary stock units. On December 28 last year, CWC Cala Holdings made an offer to purchase all the issued ordinary stock units. The offer price was $1.45 per stock unit. The offer expired on February 28. CWC Cala Holdings said forms of acceptance and transfer were received from 3,184 shareholders of Cable and Wireless Jamaica who tendered 1.63 billion ordinary stock units. 46 of these forms of acceptance, covering 3.1 stock units, were deemed invalid due to the provision of insufficient documentation. The valid forms of acceptance represents approximately 54% of the ordinary stock units held by the minority shareholders. And that's approximately 9.7% of all the ordinary stock units issued by Cable and Wireless Jamaica. The deal is being challenged in court by minority shareholder Jason Abrahams. Mayberry Investments is reporting increased profits for its 2017 financial year. It said it made $425 million net profit, compared with $172 million in the previous year. Mayberry recorded revenues of $2.2 billion, a year-over-year increase of $993 million. This increase resulted from higher corporate financial advisory fees and commissions. Oil prices jumped on Friday, with Brent crude futures hitting their highest in more than 2 weeks as U.S. stock prices rose. U.S. West Texas Intermediate WTI crude futures for April rose $1.25 to settle at $62.54 on Friday, its highest since March 7. In foreign currency trading, the US dollar sold for $127.99. The Canadian dollar is selling for $100.06. The pound sterling costs $178.10, while the euro is going for $160.40. Now, in today's trading session, the JSE index declined by 675 points to close at 290,432. The junior market index declined by 11 points to close at 2,881. The winners included Palace Amusement, Caribbean Producers, Mayberry Investments, 138 Student Living, 1834 Investments, and Barita Investments. The losers were led by Caribbean Cream, Honeybun, Lasco Financial, Jamaica Stock Exchange, AMG Packaging and Paper, and Berger Paints. And that wraps up the Financial Week. I'm Herman Green. Good evening.